This video shows how to connect the Nextbase 422 and 522 GW dashcams to an iOS device using apps. Just connect the dashcam to a power supply and it will start up and run through the first time use procedure. Now we go through the initial dashcam setup steps. You'll need your phone and dashcam together to complete this tutorial. Select your preferred language. Select your location. Your country, for example, we are using UK and Ireland. Next, select your preferred speed unit, automatic time and date setup, app features. We're going to have emergency SOS and Alexa, so we need to link it to our phone. Over to the phone and open the Mynextbase Connect app. The "We'd like to send you notifications" message appears. Allow. Press Next and it's searching for the dashcam. The dashcam serial number matches the sticker on the underside. Press on the dashcam icon. Now we see a Bluetooth pairing request with the dashcam. Double-check the number is the same as the one shown on the camera, then press Pair to connect. We are now at the firmware checking stage. It's very important to have the latest firmware. If the firmware is not up to date, you'll see the Update Firmware button. But it's already up to date on this dashcam, so simply press Continue. That's the Mynextbase Connect app up and running. Live View is available. Tap to enable, and it will connect to the dashcam's Wi-Fi network. When the Wi-Fi icon turns white, that means it's connected. Live View is now visible on the phone, and you can see whatever the dashcam is seeing. We already have some recordings stored on the SD card on the dashcam, so select Dashcam at the bottom and you can scroll through thumbnails of the available videos, with the date and time, size and duration. You can play the videos from here. We can see the video and the Google map of the journey on the video, plus telemetry, details of the journey, speed and direction. That's one of 3 screens. We can swipe to see G-sensor information on the X, Y and Z axis. And on the third page, we've got the maximum speed, average speed, and distance covered. Now you can go back to the map, or back to the list of videos. And whilst on this page, press the hamburger icon. Select a video, and you have the options of delete, protect, or download. As it downloads, you can see the file size and download speed. When it's fully downloaded to the phone, we can view the video in the library, with all the same telemetry plus extra information. The GPS strength and the number of satellites available. That's the Mynextbase Connect app setup. So now it's time to set up the Alexa app. If you've not installed Alexa, you can download the app from the App Store. On this phone, it's already downloaded, so we simply open the app and sign in. Press Learn More and choose Enable Alexa. You'll see the Install Alexa screen on the dashcam. If you've not set up Alexa before, open the Alexa app on the phone and it will ask you to sign in. When that's done, you'll see Give Amazon permissions. Press Allow and say OK to access your contacts and send notifications. Now you have to go back to the Mynextbase Connect app for a moment to open the Alexa app again. The next page is Set up your device. Press Continue. Allow Alexa to access the microphone and access your location. Then choose the dashcam you are connecting to. Set up Alexa on your 522 GW. Press Continue and it's connecting. You'll hear a beep and see the new Alexa icon on the dashcam screen. So the setup is complete. Go back to the Mynextbase Connect app homepage. Then make sure the volume is turned up and ask Alexa a question. Alexa, what's the time?
The time is 2:12 p.m.
It's activated now, so back to the main screen. So that's the iOS setup of Mynextbase Connect and Alexa to a 522 GW Dashcam. Straightforward as long as you follow the steps in this video. If you have any questions or comments, please contact Nextbase Technical Support via phone, the live chat on our website, or by emailing support@nextbase.com. Thanks for watching.